Imagine. Imagine you're in a special place where the architecture of Mother Nature creates a place where beauty becomes a complete new meaning. Where peace is something you can feel, hear, and smell. A place where all your previous thoughts are pushed aside and pure happiness takes their place. This place is called Isla Espiritu Santo.
When we left our anchorage in Los Muertos, we found again perfect sailing conditions and pointed our bow first north and then west into the channel. Our plan to stop at Espiritu Santo before we sailed to La Paz was solid. So we stayed a few days here and a few days there. Time for us to relax, enjoy the beautiful beaches, and play a little with our drone. Every bay was beautiful, and we couldn't believe that we were almost alone. Zero must be a very happy ship. All of a sudden, we had over 100 bees in here. So we tried to lurk them out with some darkened windows so only the entrance is bright. But they just want to drink water. They're crazy for water. So drink and then go.
But even if we didn't want to leave, we needed food. We were out of fresh fruits and veggies, and one of us had an appointment at the airport. But we were just about lifting anchor when a huge school of mantas passed by. We couldn't resist and jumped into the water to swim with them. Wow, what an awesome experience!
Was that awesome?
Super awesome! They're flying! Ah.
I love it here. It's just unbelievable awesome. Zero is anchored over there. It's a nice sandy beach over here. La Paz is just around the corner, so you can get all the stuff you want. The water is super warm, so good place to be. Finally pulled the hook and sailed slowly towards La Paz, looking into every bay on our way, taking our time. La Paz is a nice cruiser-friendly city, and the anchorage is protected by a huge sand island called El Mogote. So we better stayed in the channel, followed buoy after buoy, and dropped the hook right in front of the Malecon. Here we are, in the cruiser's mecca of Baja California, La Paz. When we were sailing down the coast, we wanted to stop in Todos Santos, but the weather didn't allow it. I mean, you only can anchor there if it's really dead calm. So we couldn't do it. But now we met a friend here in La Paz, which I met here during my stay in 2015. And guess what? He's driving to Todos Santos today, and he's giving us a ride there. So wine festival. Not sure if we do the wine festival, but we definitely want to check out Todos Santos and the Hotel California. It's a kind of mystic place, about if it's anything related to the song from the Eagles or not, but definitely it's worth to check it out. I think it's a great place to be. So let's get rolling. just an hour driving, más o menos, right?
Yeah.
And we are on the Pacific side again. Can be so easy.
So short.
Yeah, handycam. We had just an hour, a little more than an hour driving in this beautiful van, high-end luxury van with air conditioning everywhere, a huge TV and all this stuff. And very comfy driving, especially we were not driving ourselves. And now we're here in Hotel California in Los Santos. It's a beautiful day. Check it out.
The Hotel California was founded in 1947 by a Chinese immigrant named Mr. Wong. Mr. Wong wanted the Mexicans to believe he was a native. So he changed his name to Don Antonio Tabasco, which didn't work as well as you can imagine. But he soon became known as El Chino, meaning the Chinese man. The Hotel California was the only place to get a cold beer in the 1950s in town, and soon get a popular place. A Canadian couple bought the hotel in 2001 and renovated it and got a lot of awards for the 11 suites. Today the Hotel California is an icon. But the song Hotel California by the Eagles wasn't inspired by the hotel in any way, and the often told story is untrue. We walked through town and enjoyed the beautiful old architecture. You can find art galleries and Mexican handwork on every corner. Los Santos is a colorful and interesting city, and a visit is absolutely worth it. Later on, we visited the Wine and Food Festival.
Wine festival?
Let's get some wine.
All of a sudden, the nature changed from the dry desert to beautiful green paradise.
It's super green here. So lush.
Live music, a lot of good food, delicious Mexican wine, and a good conversation made the day to a perfect day.
The last song, yeah, the Food and Wine Festival is almost over here. It's a great place, great wines. We just tasted a few ones. I mean, of course, there are, I don't know how many different wines are here, but yeah, and it's very nice here at Los Santos. It's a great place, definitely worth to stop. I'm very happy I had a chance to go here. When I realized I couldn't stop here with the boat, I was
was kind of sad. I heard a good thing about it, and it's pretty much all true. Very nice architecture, nice restored buildings, and it's just great. Go here.
So we finally arrived in La Paz, the mecca of cruising in Baja California. Time to explore the city and replenish our provisions. But this is another story.
Just me and my boat. It's just me